1. Which institution has developed Project Abhay to enhance health and safety of truck drivers? A. IIT Bombay. B. IIT Delhi. C. IIT Kanpur. D. IIT Roorkee. Answer B. IIT Delhi. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari inaugurated Project Abhay, an initiative to boost truck drivers' health and safety. Developed by IIT Delhi Center for Rural Development and Technology. 2. Which institution has released the Digital Payments Index recently? A. Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI. B. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD. C. Ministry of Finance. D. Reserve Bank of India, RBI. Answer D. Reserve Bank of India, RBI. RBI releases DPI measure the growth of digital transactions in India. Digital payments grew by 11.1% YoY as of September 2024. 3. Kaimanera and Bokairum ports, which were seen in news, are located in which water body? A. Black Sea. B. Guantanamo Bay. C. Red Sea. D. Hudson Bay. Answer B. Guantanamo Bay. The US President signed an executive order to prepare a large-scale migrant detention center at Guantanamo Bay. Guantanamo Bay, located in southeastern Cuba, is a sheltered inlet with strategic importance, near the Windward Passage. 4. What is the name of mission recently announced by Indian government for development of small modular reactors, SMRs? A. Atmanirbhar Nuclear Mission. B. Green Energy Nuclear Plan. C. Nuclear Energy Mission. D. Sustainable Atomic Energy Plan. Answer C. Nuclear Energy Mission. The Finance Minister announced a 20,000 crore rupees nuclear energy mission to develop indigenous small modular reactors, SMRs. SMRs are small nuclear reactors with a maximum output of 300 MWe, producing 7.2 million K. 5. Which country has declared food security emergency to curb soaring rice prices in February 2025? A. Bhutan. B. Malaysia. C. Philippines. D. Nepal. Answer greater than C. Philippines. The Philippines declared a food security emergency to stabilize high rice prices. Agriculture Secretary Francisco Tiu Laurel authorized the release of rice buffer stocks held by the National Food Authority, NFA. 6. What type of disease is rheumatoid arthritis, RA, that was recently seen in news? A. A bacterial infection. B. An autoimmune and inflammatory disease. C. A fungal disease. D. A viral disorder. Answer D. A viral disorder. Researchers have developed a self-actuating drug delivery system for rheumatoid arthritis, RA. It releases therapeutic agents only when needed by targeting inflammation in joints. 7. Which organization is the nodal agency for International Big Cat Alliance, IBCA, in India? A. National Biodiversity Authority. B. Wildlife Crime Control Bureau. C. National Tiger Conservation Authority. D. None of the above. Answer C. National Tiger Conservation Authority. The Framework Agreement on the International Big Cat Alliance, IBCA, has officially come into force. India established IBCA through the National Tiger Conservation Authority, NTCA, under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, MoE EFCC. 8. What is Striker that was recently seen in news? A. Invasive plant. B. Infantry combat vehicle. C. Indian naval ship. D. None of the above. Answer greater than B. Infantry combat vehicle. The upcoming India-US defense deal includes co-production of Striker infantry combat vehicles. Striker is an 8-wheel drive combat vehicle developed for the US Army by General Dynamics Land Systems, GDLS. It was the first new military vehicle inducted into the US Army since the 1980s. 9. Which city is the host of 15th International Meeting of World Pharmacopoeias, IMWP? A. Kolkata. B. Jaipur. C. New Delhi. D. Bhopal. Answer greater than C. New Delhi. The event brought together global pharmacopoeia leaders, regulators, and industry experts to enhance cooperation in pharmaceutical standards. Key discussions focused on pharmaceutical harmonization, regulatory convergence, and improving public health. The first meeting was held in Geneva in 2012 and the 10th in Strasbourg in 2020. Key discussions focused on pharmaceutical harmonization, regulatory convergence, and improving public health. The first meeting was held in Geneva in 2012 and the 10th in Strasbourg in 2020. 10. Great scheme, which was seen in news, is associated with which sector? A. Education, B. Textile, C. Agriculture, D. Healthcare. Answer B. Textiles. The Union government approved 4 startups under the Grant for Research and Entrepreneurship across Aspiring Innovators in Technical Textiles, GREAT, Scheme for Technical Textiles. The scheme falls under the National Technical Textiles Mission's Research, Development, and Innovation component. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and for more videos subscribe this channel.